Welcome to Paraty, Brazil's hidden gem where history and adventure intertwine. Ever wondered about the pirates that once roamed these streets, or the town's role in the Brazilian gold rush? We're diving deep into Paraty's past, uncovering tales of treasure and intrigue. But Paraty isn't just a relic of the past. It's a living, breathing cultural hub. From its world-renowned Cachaça distilleries to its vibrant art scene, there's a story waiting to be told at every corner. Watch till the end for an exclusive taste of the local flavor and a glimpse into the spirited heart of this colonial town. Join us as we explore the cobblestone streets of the historic center, sail through the emerald waters of the bay, and indulge in the town's mouth-watering cuisine. Paraty is a feast for the senses, a place where history, culture, and adventure come together in perfect harmony. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of Paraty and let the charm of this enchanting town capture your heart? A pirate's haven, our mateys. Did you know that back in the 17th century, Paraty was a popular spot for pirates? That's right. The town's secluded location and proximity to the gold mines made it a prime target for these swashbuckling adventurers. So, as you walk through the streets, just imagine the pirates that once roamed here, on the lookout for treasure. Speaking of gold, Paraty played a crucial role during the Brazilian gold rush. The town was a main port for shipping gold from the mines to the rest of the world. And while the gold may be gone, the rich history remains, etched into the very stones of the town. Now, let's talk about something a bit more spirited. Paraty is renowned for its cachaça, a Brazilian spirit made from sugar cane juice. The town is home to several distilleries, and if you're a fan of spirits, you won't want to miss a tasting tour. Just be careful, cachaça packs a punch. Explore the historic center. First up on our list is the historic center of Paraty. Walking through these streets is like taking a step back in time. The colonial architecture, preserved in its original glory, tells stories of a time long past. And the best part, no cars are allowed, so you can wander freely, taking in the sights and sounds of this historic gem. Next, let's hit the waters with a boat trip through Paraty's stunning bay. The emerald green waters are dotted with tropical islands, each with its own unique charm. And the secluded beaches, oh, they're like something out of a dream. Don't forget your camera, because you're going to want to capture every moment. Visit the local art galleries. Art lovers, rejoice! Paraty is home to a thriving art scene with galleries and studios scattered throughout the town. It's a chance to see the work of local artists and perhaps even take a piece of Paraty home with you. The vibrant colors and unique styles reflect the town's rich cultural tapestry. Indulge in the local cuisine. Foodies, you're in for a treat. Paraty's culinary scene is a blend of traditional Brazilian flavors and innovative gastronomy. From fresh seafood to mouth-watering street food, there's something to satisfy every palate. And of course, you can't leave without trying a Cachaça cocktail. And finally, let's not forget about the natural wonders that surround Paraty. From lush Rhine forests to cascading waterfalls, the landscape is a playground for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or simply soaking in the beauty, it's an experience you won't soon forget. And there you have it, my friends, the magic of Paraty in a nutshell. This town is a living, breathing work of art, a place where history, culture, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. So, whether you're a history buff, an art lover, a foodie, or an adventurer, Paraty has something just for you. As we wrap up our journey, I want to leave you with this. Paraty is not just a destination. It's an experience, a story waiting to be told. So, come, be a part of the story, and let the charm of Paraty capture your heart, just as it has captured mine. Until next time, happy travels!